like nuts. Is it a texture thing? I'm not sure. But I want a healthy snack. So I'm in love with these edamame beans. I got the variety pack that I linked down for you. It comes with the original salted, it comes with buffalo, and there is a sriracha. I'm kind of a wimp when it comes to spicy, so we'll see if the buffalo and the sriracha are too spicy for me. Oh well, I'll still eat it regardless. Lily. There's a little kick to them, but again, I'm a wimp, so I can still eat them. That means they're not going to be too spicy for you. I do love buffalo flavoring though. 11 grams of protein packed into this tiny little package. Also, it's only 122 calories. It's the perfect high protein snack that's going to fill you up and keep you fueled. Also keto friendly, vegan, and gluten free. Upgrade your snacks and click on the link below.